Memalev Amud Bet, we're starting from Memalev Amud Aleph on the bottom. Hamicham shepinau, if you have an urn that we empty it out, לא ייתן לצוחות צונן בשביל שיחמו. You're not allowed to put cold water into an empty urn for the water to get hot because you are heating the water on Shabbat. אבל נותן הוא לתוכו, but he can put water inside, או לתוך הכוס, or into a cup, כדי להפשירם in order to take the chill out.
What was just said?
So, you're right. The Gemara asked, Mai Kamar, what was just said? What was just said in the Mishnah? That you're allowed to put water, but you're not allowed to put water, but you're allowed to put water. Amar Rav Ada bar Matna, we have two explanations. First one is Rav Ada. Rav Ada bar Matna Amar, Achi Ke'amar. That's what the Mishnah said. Hamicham shepina mimenu mayim chamim, an urn that he empty all of the water, all of the hot water out of it. לא ייתן לתוכו מים מועטים כדי שיחמו. He's not allowed to put small amount of water in order to warm it up because you are heating the water on Shabbat. אבל נותן לתוכו מים מרובים כדי להפשירם. But he's allowed to put a lot of water in order to take the chill out. So a small amount of water will heat the water.
If you put a lot
is not going to heat the water, and therefore it's fine. But the Gemara had a problem with it. We just spoke that any metal that you put cold water in it, by the way, our metal today process is way different, and it doesn't make a difference when you put cold water after. Back then, any time that you put cold water, you make the metal stronger. So the Gemara says, how come you're allowed to put cold water, big quantity, you're making the metal stronger? So you're fixing the kli on Shabbat. You're fixing the kli on Shabbat.
That's considered fixing. It's a gamma. You don't. That's not your intention.
Oh, the Gemara asks. You should write the Gemara. The Gemara asks, "Ve'alo metzaref." Letzaref is to make the metal strong. So metzaref, he makes it strong, and you're not allowed to. The Gemara says, "Lo, אין בעיה." Omar Rav Shon, Rav Shimoni. Rav Shon says it's Rav Shimoni. De'amar davar she'en mitkaven mutar. This is according to the delegate Rav Shimon. Rav Shimon holds anything that you have no kavanah for it, it's mutar. What is your kavanah? To put the water to take the chill out.
Yeah.
It's happened, the result that it's also making it strong, but since it's not your kavanah, it's mutar. So Ravada explained our Mishnah that when he emptied, we're talking about mecham shepinau, an urn that he emptied out. What did he empty it out from? From all of the water inside. Small amount you're not allowed to put, big amount you're allowed to. The Gemara says, Matif la'Abaye, Abaye was asking, Midi mecham shepina mimenu mayim ktani? Because it says in the Mishnah that an urn that he emptied out from water ktani, if he said that he emptied it out from water, it doesn't say he emptied it out from water. Mecham shepina ktani. He said mecham that he emptied it out. So empty it out is not the exact word. Shepinau, he removed it. So he said removed means remove all of the water inside. He said no, it doesn't say remove the water. Rather, removed means just removed off the fire.
The coals around.
Off the fire. El amar Abaye achi ke'amar. According to Abaye, this is how we explain our Mishnah. Micham shepinau, an urn that he took it off the water. Of the fire, I'm sorry. He took the urn off the fire. ויש בו מים חמים, and it has hot water inside. לא ייתן לתוכו מים מועטים בשביל שיחמו. If you put small amount of water into hot water, what is doing to the water? Making it hot. You're heating it. אבל נותן לתוכו מים מרובים כדי להפשירן. But he's allowed to put a lot of water at once to take the chill out. Yeah, if you put small amount, you're warming it. If you put big amount, you're not warming it, rather, you're taking the chill out, and that's mutar. And you continue, micham shepina mimeno mayim, and an urn. So therefore, our Mishnah is talking about, according to Abaye, that he took it off the fire. Small amount of water, don't put. Big amount of water, you can put. But he said, micham shepina mimeno mayim, if he empty it out completely from water, there lo yiten letocho mayim kol ikar. You shouldn't put any water in it at all. Lama? Mipnei shemetzaref. You're making the metal cold. You're making the metal strong. And that's according to who? The Rabbi Yehuda This is according to Rabbi Yehuda, דאמר דבר שאין מתכוון, אסור. According to Rabbi Yehuda, that he said anything you have no kavana for it is still asur. So the way Abaye learning the machloket is that when the Mishnah said you are mecham, that he removed all of the urn from the water. Small amount of water don't put, big amount of water you can put because you're not making it hot. You're just taking the chill out. But if you empty out a container of completely from water, you're not allowed to put any water inside because you hold like Rabbi Yehuda. The davar that says no kavana, asur.
But if you have a lot, that makes it harder, no? Like putting a lot of water would
So
make it
probably
harder. Little would not make the difference. A lot would make the difference.
you're right. So probably
They're talking about the new water. I think they're talking about the new water.
A little bit makes the difference to the new one.
probably a little bit will have an issue of cooking it, and a lot will have an issue of making it strong. You're right. To make it strong, you need a lot. A little bit will have anyway different issues of cooking. So we have two opinions. We have Ravada. Ravada hold that we're talking about that he empty all of the water out. Small amount it's cooking, big amount it's fine. I have no problem that you make the metal strong because we all like Rab Shimon. Second opinion is Abaye. We're talking about you just moved it off the fire and it has hot water. Small amount it's asur because you're cooking, big amount you're not cooking. But if you empty it out completely, you're not allowed to put water because you hold like Rabbi Yehuda, the דבר שאין מתכוון, אסור. Omar Rav hold like Ravada, which is like the first opinion. And he says the following, לא ישנו אלא להפשיר. What mutar, the amount of water you're allowed to put, we said if you put water to take the chill out, it's mutar, נכון? Only a shiur, only an amount that is going to take the chill out. אבל לצרף אסור. But if you fill that up completely, then will be asur. So when we said you're allowed to put a lot of water, only a shiur, that for sure you in mind you want to put, you just want to take the chill out.
Right.
But if you put it all the way on top, asur. ושמואל אמר, אפילו לצרף נמי מותר. Even for the sake to make it cold, מותר. The Gemara says, לצרף לכתחילה משרי, are you allowed לכתחילה to put water in order to make it strong? אלא יתמר, אחי יתמר. Rather, if we are bringing the מחלוקת, we have to bring it as the following. אמר רב, says רב, לא שנו אלא שיעור להפשיר. Rab says, only a size of water to take the chill out, it's mutar. אבל שיעור לצרף, but an amount that's going to make it strong, אסור. So at the beginning we thought that Rab is referring that it's mutar. If you're doing it for the sake of take the chill out, Rab said it's mutar. If you're doing it for the sake to make it strong, it's asur. Shmuel says even for the sake to make it strong, it's asur. The Gemara said it's impossible. If you're doing it for the sake to make it strong, Shmuel wouldn't say it's asur. Therefore the Gemara answer, we're talking about a shiur. Rab says an amount, take the chill out, it's fine. Big amount to make it strong, asur. But Shmuel אמר, אפילו שיעור לצרף, מותר. Even in a side that's going to make it strong, will be מותר. למה will be מותר to make it strong? Because your intention is not to make it strong, rather to take the chill out. So even if you have so much quantity, it still will be מותר. We'll stop over here. חזורת.